I've lived for over 21,000 days and I regret it. Well, not all of it, but I deeply regret the years I spent playing it completely safe.
If you are over 60, stop scrolling!
Today, I'm stripping away the excuses.
We are going to talk about the real cost of hesitation and exactly how you can build a brand new income stream from scratch for $0. Welcome to your 100-Year Companion. Your 100-Year Companion, guiding you through life's journey together.
Part 1. The Price of Security.
For decades, I spent my life in the corporate world, working day in and day out in a demanding industry. As an immigrant building a life in a new country, stability was everything. I still remember those early days. Long hours, constant pressure, and moments when my boss would criticize me harshly.
These reports are unacceptable. Look at this mess. Fix it now, or there will be consequences.
I had no choice but to swallow it.
I'm going to secretly take his favorite pen and shove it in my ass up and down, up and down.
There were times I went home exhausted, questioning myself. But I kept going, because I believed that was the price of security. Deep down, I always dreamed of starting my own business. I wanted to create something of my own. But I always found an excuse. I have no initial funding, or it's too risky right now. Does that sound familiar to any of you? We spend our whole lives protecting what we have, that we forget to build what we actually want. But here is the massive shift in mindset I had to learn the hard way. You do not need a massive bank loan to start your second chapter. The rules have changed. Your decades of life experience. That is your capital.
Part 2. The Dog Walk Epiphany and the Science of Regret.
Now, I know what some of you are thinking right now.
Start something new? Eyes get blurry just trying to read a text message.
Trust me, I get it. Just the other evening, I was out walking my dog. I got a notification on my phone, and between the dim outdoor light and my fading eyesight, I had to hold the screen a mile away just to read one sentence. It's funny, right? Our bodies age. The physical energy isn't what it used to be. But while I was out there, squinting at my screen in the dark, I read a fascinating study that completely blew my mind. A gerontologist at Cornell University interviewed thousands of older Americans. He asked them one simple question.
What is your biggest regret?
You'd think people would say,
I work too much.
I made a bad investment.
but no. The overwhelming answer.
I wish I had taken more chances.
I wish I had taken more chances.
I wish I had taken more chances.
Their biggest regrets were the things they didn't do because of fear. the businesses they didn't start, the passions they ignored, they regretted playing it safe.
This brings me to you. Before we dive into exactly how you can start your own zero-cost business today, and yes, I will show you how, I want to hear your story. Let's make the comment section a safe space today.
Pause this video right now. Scroll down and tell me. What is that one thing you always wanted to try, but you talked yourself out of it because you thought it was too risky or too late? I read every single comment, and I cannot wait to see what you've been dreaming of.
Go ahead, I'll wait.
Oh, I hope everyone write a comment so I can grow this community.
Part 3. The $0 Action Plan.
So, how do we actually do this? How do we build a new chapter without draining our retirement savings? Here are 3 real, practical ways you can start tomorrow, both offline and online.
Number 1. Turn your career experience into consulting.
You spent 30 or 40 years working hard in your field. That knowledge doesn't just disappear when you retire. Local small businesses and startups desperately need the kind of operational wisdom and problem-solving skills you've spent decades building. You can offer your services as a freelance advisor. It costs $0 to reach out to local business networks. Your lifetime of experience is the product.
Number 2. Everyday offline services.
Not everything has to be on the internet. Look at your daily skills. Maybe you are great at organizing. Maybe you have a green thumb. Or perhaps you can offer pet sitting services for busy neighbors. There are young professionals in your community who will gladly pay for reliable help from someone with life experience. It requires zero startup money, gets you out of the house, and puts money directly in your pocket.
Thank you so much for everything. You're welcome. Best of luck.
Number 3. The knowledge economy.
No storefront required. Just your smartphone and a simple tripod.
You can do exactly what I am doing right now. Start a YouTube channel.
The key is consistency, not perfection. Small steps every day lead to big results.
Or even write a simple ebook. You can share your life lessons, your hobbies, or your professional wisdom with the world using just the smartphone you already own. The barrier to entry has never been lower. Leave a comment below on category you want to learn more, and I'll make a video showing you step by step how to get started. Let's do this together. We cannot change the past 60 years. We cannot undo the moments we hesitated, or the times we let fear make our decisions. But here is the beautiful truth. We have 100% control over tomorrow. You have survived decades of challenges. You have gathered a lifetime of wisdom. Do not let the lack of money or the fear of trying something new stop you now. Whether it's sharing your expertise, offering a local service, or starting a channel just like this one, the best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now, today.
If this video gave you a little spark of courage, or if it made you rethink your own 21,000 days, please hit that like button. It really helps this channel reach more people who might need to hear this message. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to your 100-year companion. We are building a community here, a place to share honest conversations about making the second half of our lives the absolute best half. Share this video with a friend who might be hesitating to start their own next chapter. Remember, your experience is your greatest asset.
I believe in you, and I will see you in the next video.
Here you are, dear.
A simple, joyful exchange at the heart of the market. That's it, you're getting it. Oh, I see it now. Exactly. Great work. Thanks. She loves her side hustle, turning a simple walk into a joyful adventure.
Hey there. Beautiful day, isn't it? Sure is. Have fun.
See you in the next chapter.